Hello, Doc. So this is for my final exam, and I have chosen the conversation between Neil and Glister. So here it is. Hello, ni hao. How are you? Ni hao ma. I'm fine, thanks. And you? Wo han hao. Nene. I'm fine, thanks. Wo han hao. Xie. What's your name? Nen Koi Sheng Taming. My name is Neil. Wo Jiao Neil. Pleased to meet you, Neil. Han Gaosheng Ranshani, Neil. My name is Clester. Wo Jiao Clester. Pleased to meet you too. Han Gaosheng Ranshani. Where are you from? Nishi Kong Nalade. I am from Philippines. Wo Kong Philippine Lade. Please say it again. Xing Ni Shou Shai Shou Yipian. I am from Philippines. Wo Kong Philippine Lade. Philippines. Philippine. I live in Beijing. 我住在北京. Your Mandarin is good. 你的中文好. Thank you. 谢谢. My pronunciation is not good. 我的发音不是很好. I can understand you. 我听得懂. Can you give me your cell phone number? 你能给我的手机号码吗? My cell phone number is 0922-588-7822. 我的手机号码是0222-588-7822. May I write it to you? 我可以你实现吗? Yes. 是的. I have an appointment. 我要约. I am happy to have met you. 我很高兴认识你. Goodbye. Say Chen.